Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your data from the AndroMoney expense tracking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney application on your device. And if you have set up a password, then just type it in and proceed forward to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now if you wish to export your data from this application, then simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here you will find the export/import option. Go ahead and click on it and you will now see various different options. You can choose the sync database option to sync your data onto your online account or your Google account that you have connected. You can tap on the backup database in order to set up an online backup of your data, or you may also choose to export as a CSV file. Tap on export to a CSV file to make it more universal. You can then choose to have it exported as a Windows Excel file, a Mac number, or a Mac Excel file. And you can also export it to Google Docs or as a CSV with an email. Choose whichever option you wish. And after choosing your format as well as your date range, the file will now be exported within your local storage. You can then quickly share it using various different applications right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your data from the AndroMoney expense tracker application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.